They have a photo of the alleged suspect.
This is Patrol 4561. I'll look after the accident.
Foxtrot 202, copy. Big car to 16 portable. Good. You're going off the intersection now, we are on a portable. Thank you. Big car to 1. Station 1.
We require an officer to handle a traffic stop. Can you take care of it? You're taking too long to reach the scene. We're sending another unit.
Detail 12.
Status windshield wipers are on 4.
Mike 11 unit.
Assistance is requested for an emergency. Please respond.
This is Patrol 4561. I can take that.
A roadblock has been requested. Who's available?
Fine.
This is
But
Patrol
now I need to be on my way.
4561 speaking. I can take your request and set up a roadblock.
I don't have that much money.
Oh, come on. That's so much money.
Assistance required. Is an officer available?
This is Patrol 4562. I'll look for the suspect.
Foxtrot 150. Okay, we have 482 coming out there for the hit and run. You might wait for him.
We got a reported crime scene that needs to be investigated. Anyone available? We need a unit at the scene right now. Sending someone else. We require support. Who's available?
Open the door and step out of the vehicle.
Fine.
Keep your hands away
I'll
from
do
your
it.
body. Don't try anything.
This is Patrol 4562. I'll search for the suspect.
Keep calm and stand up slowly. Please show me your license and vehicle registration.
Yes, officer. There you go.
I'm charging you for not having valid insurance.
Great. And I don't have a lawyer at hand.
Everything's fine. You're good to go. Bye.
There's a situation that needs taking care of. Anybody available?
This is Patrol 4561, taking care of the accident.
I believe it was called by Channel 1.
6 Channel 1.
Officer, help requested for an emergency. Please respond.
This is Patrol 4561. I'll handle the accident.
Assistance required. Is an officer available?
This is Patrol 4561. I'll handle the accident.
482. Alright, copy that. Hey, Foxtrot 202. Three cars at once. Yes, sir. They have the car stop at 10th and Grant. You might go by there first.
Need urgent assistance in setting up a roadblock? Is anyone available?
Patrol 4561 responding. I will set up the roadblock.
Yeah, copy that, radio. Well, I got you. Go get a license check, thanks. License number is 6579 Zulu Tango. Should be the name of Hansford.
Returning to the barracks with one in custody.
Any officers available to transport an arrestee to the nearest police station?
I'll make sure it gets done.
Mac 11. Give me a 2 not pertaining to their barracks. Out of service, some slang used with 4. 3. Several vehicles that have been broken into at that address. Mac 11.
2061 on board 8. Alright, copy that. First car off the bar, thanks. Wow. Good idea, 12.
Thanks for 110.
Yeah, I want you to contact our office for us. Alright, copy that. Just did 3 wire checks earlier. Your last 10 vehicles were secure. I could just have the next off roads.
Newtown 1 of you, 10 number 1, Gibbon Street, Camberdown, across the Salisbury Road. Thank you. Phone your barracks. I've heard this used also for direct calls.
Yes, sir. They have the car stopped at 10th and Grant. You might go by there first.
And then there's cars on this channel. Keep a lookout for a 2 miles one for a steal from motor vehicle at Earlwood a short time ago.
Okay, we have 42 coming out there for the hit and run. You might wait for it.
Thanks for coming, partner. Here's the suspect. He's dangerous. Be careful.
Please cooperate. I'm taking you to the police station.
We got an emergency call about a possible crime scene. Please drive there to investigate the situation.
Get into the car, please.
You're taking too long. Another unit will take care of it.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Any statement you make may be used for or against you in a court of law. You have the right to have a competent and independent counsel, preferably of your own choice. And if you cannot afford the services of a counsel, the government will provide you one. You understand these rights?
Two in black hoodies.
Yes, radio, we're going off at 132 Victoria Road regarding that alarm. 6-1 portable. Right, copy that. First car off at Boris, thanks.
Is a unit available to transport an arrestee to the nearest precinct?
Hold my 1 radio, you have a job for us?
A police officer is in pursuit of a suspect and has requested a roadblock. Can anyone help?
This is Patrol 4561. I can create the roadblock.
Assistance required. Is an officer available?
I'm taking you to our precinct cell now.
This is Patrol 4561. I'll handle the accident.
We require support. Who's available?
Stay here.
This is Patrol 4562. I'll search for the suspect.
MMF cars on this channel. Keep a lookout for 2 miles on for a steal from motor vehicle at Earlwood short time ago. Phony barracks. I've heard this used also for directions.